Bill Gates' attention-grabbing headline about, hey, there will be only 3 roles that will not be touched by AI or something like that, and every other role will be touched. I don't know if I can go that far because I really can't predict that much in the future. But at this point of time, in the companies that I am working with or managing, definitely a content writer kind of a role is diminished because there's more that can be done. As of now, even though it's still evolving, is there any role that has become obsolete yet that anybody can say confidently? Either of you can chime in. Any role that become obsolete as of now with AI?
So I don't know if it's particularly a role. It's parts of roles that become obsolete, probably.
Yeah, I agree.
I think certain people within a role. What do I mean? I mean people who didn't produce really good content, for sure they'll be obsolete, right? To your point, Ramesh, it's like AI is good at writing, yes, but it's also quite generic. You can pick it up quite quickly. That is very AI generated, and so you can then prompt it better and style it better. It's still reproducing the style of, and so original content still becomes even more valuable, actually, because you can define it. So if you were a bad content writer, to a certain degree, I would say, yes, your job's more at risk. If you're an excellent content writer, I would say quite the opposite. You've become like more valuable because the content that you write is of extreme amount of value. So it's part of a job, like an accountant. Sorry, and I'll hand over to you, Mal. But it's like there's like an accountant's part of the job. Yes, sure, I can do all of the basic tax related stuff with O3, but what I want is the advice on what should I actually do and what is the smart thing to do, and that's where the human comes in. And I will not trust O3 for a long time for that.
Yeah, and just to supplement that, no one's asking for kind of just a standalone AI expert. Like you have to be an AI expert in context of what you're doing. And I think that's also important. So it's like be elite to the level that AI can't replicate what you're doing, be original to what Ruben was saying, and then also learn AI in the context that is most valuable to you and your company. And that's really where you can provide value.
It's great. Okay, so I think its general consensus seems to be that context is very important. It's no technology completely eliminate or replace. Even though AI is so promising, it has not yet proven to replace a particular individual or a skill completely. It's a context. So we all agree on that one.